Hi, I'm KahriAnne Kerr, and welcome to my NYC studio. I'm the owner of KAHRI by KahriAnne Kerr, and the artist behind these cute little dolls, pillows, and more. Each piece starts out by me creating a watercolor illustration on paper. Then the artwork is scanned and digitally printed on high-quality cotton linen material that is printed in the USA with eco-friendly inks. Then it is sewn in NYC with a solid black linen back and is stuffed with polyfill. This creates a fun, unique plush doll or pillow that makes you smile. Each character is inspired by fashion, art, music, feminist, and historical icons. My artwork is also available printed on coin purses, cosmetic bags, pins, magnets, cards, coloring books, and more. The dolls come in 3 sizes. Little dolls are the perfect size for presents. Big dolls are great for home decor. And mini dolls are travel size to take with you wherever you go. You can read more about my story in my children's book, From the Farm to the Big City, which I wrote and illustrated. It tells the true story of this Iowa farm girl who became an NYC fashion designer. I taught myself how to sew and started my company at 19 years old. I've sold my clothing collection in boutiques around the world. I've had celebrities wear my clothing, been featured in fashion shows, magazines, and even been on reality TV shows. 6 years ago, my mother passed away, and I started painting again to deal with the grief. That ended up changing the course of my business into what it is today. I hope my work can bring a little happiness and hope to each and every one of my customers. The KAHRI motto is, "Be rebellious."